Hello students, Jai Shri Swaminarayan. My name is Milan Dholariya. In this video, we start our new chapter. It is chapter number 8, comparing quantity. Okay? Here name is comparing quantity. That means we need to compare the quantities. Okay? In this chapter, we are dealing with the comparing the quantities. Okay? So just be ready, open your mind, and let's start it with theory part of this chapter. First of all, the theory for the exercise 8.1 is, first theory is for the ratio. Okay, in exercise 8.1, we need to deal with the ratio. Now, what is the ratio? So, for finding out the ratio, division process is used. Okay, for finding out the ratio, division process is used. That means if we want to find the ratio, then what we need to do? We need to use the division process. That means if we have 2 cm and 4 cm, and if we are saying that we need to find the ratio, then what we need to do? Ratio is equal to 2 divided by 4. That means we need to apply the division process. Okay, 2 2s are 4. So 1 by 2. Here we do not need to write the answer in decimal point. But this 1 by 2, it is called 1 zam 2. This is called zam. 1 zam 2. Okay? So if we have two numbers, 2 cm, 4 cm, and if we want to find the ratio, so ratio is equal to 2 cm divided by 4 cm. 2 2s are 4. So here we need to simplify it. 1 by 2. But here we do not need to write the answer in decimal point. What we need to do is 1 by 2 is called 1 zam 2. Okay? Then here second line, for finding out ratio, both numbers needs to have same unit. Okay? For finding out ratio, both numbers needs to have the same unit. That means if you want to find the ratio of two numbers, then both the numbers needs to be of same unit. Okay? Here in first example, 2 cm and 4 cm. So both number have unit centimeter. So you can find the ratio. But if we say that 2 cm and 5 meter, so we cannot find the ratio, because here ratio deals with comparing the quantities. But we can only compare the quantities if the quantities have the same unit. Okay? We can say that 10 cm is more than 6 cm. 10 cm is more than 6 cm. This is comparison. Here we have same unit. But we cannot say that 10 cm is greater than 6 meter. This is wrong, right? Here we can say that 10 cm is greater than 6 cm. This statement is true. But here 10 cm, it cannot be greater than the 6 meter. Okay? Exactly हुआ क्या? यहाँ पे यूनिट सेम थे तो कंपैरिजन वैलिड है. यूनिट सेम नहीं है तो कंपैरिजन वैलिड नहीं है. मतलब हम डायरेक्टली कंपेयर नहीं कर पाएंगे यदि यूनिट सेम्स नहीं दिए है. क्योंकि 10 तो 6 से ज्यादा है, बट सेंटीमीटर और मीटर में लॉट्स ऑफ डिफरेंस है. सो कंपैरिजन के लिए बेसिकली क्या होना चाहिए? यूनिट्स सेम होने चाहिए. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई वी आर सेइंग दैट फॉर फाइंडिंग आउट द रेशियो, बोथ नंबर नीड्स टू हैव द सेम यूनिट. if the numbers do not have the same unit, then we need to convert the units. Okay, here if we want to do the comparison, then first of all, we have 10 cm and 6 meter. We need to convert the unit. So 6 meter, it is called 600 centimeter. Now we can compare this 600 centimeter, that is greater than 10 centimeter. So if units are not same, then our first work is to convert the units. After that, we can compare the numbers. Okay. Then third thing, that is ratio is unitless quantity. Ratio is unitless quantity. once again, for finding out ratio, both number needs to have same unit, but ratio itself unitless quantity. Why? If you want to find the ratio of 5 centimeter and 10 centimeter, then ratio means what? 5 centimeter divided by 10 centimeter. So here unit is cut out. Okay, unit जो है वो कट हो जाएगा. तो जो भी ratio का आंसर है 5 2 that means 1 by 2 1 and 2, that is unitless quantity because unit is cut here. Okay, that's why ratio is unitless quantity. We can say that ratio is 1 and 2, but it does not have any unit. Okay, so ratio is unitless quantity. Why? Because ratio यहाँ पे division process में cut हो जाएगा. That is why. And last, ratio, it is represented by A then B. A then B, it means A divided by B. Okay, A then B, it means A divided by B. That is ratio. Okay, so we have this much theory for the ratio, and this ratio we need to use in exercise 8.1. Okay.